Yeah, it's a new week, guys. What's up? Welcome to another video. The Bitcoin price has been moving kind of range that has been moving vertically. There haven't been much down, much up. But in all that happened the week, you keep seeing Bitcoin keep holding the point of 19,200, 19,300, and at the time yesterday, Bitcoin fell. Let me check the time. Bitcoin fell to that was 13 o'clock, 13:15. That was 11 o'clock yesterday, 11 p.m. Bitcoin fell to 18,900 and $930. Do you know why? The stock market yesterday loses over 1.4 billion. That was what the stock market yesterday lost. 1.4 billion. So all the week, all through the weekend, this is where Bitcoin has been. There hasn't been any high pump, there haven't been any high dump, there haven't been any high pump, there haven't been any high. This high pump that happened here basically gave us this high low that came up here, and then we've seen another bounce up again, and then another drop again. That is how the market has been moving. But I clearly see that this market is about to make a U-turn that might be bringing the market back to at least this point of 20k again, or probably or maybe having another strong resistance up here at this point of 19,800. That's what I believe, though we are using the lower time frame. But if you could clearly see it on the chart, that we may be having some challenges up there. But it is, I do believe the market is going to move, because if you should take a very good look at the MACD from this sequence, from this particular point right here, if you should take a good look at the MACD, look at what the MACD did down here. This is what the MACD did at this rising up here, and then this particular point here again. This particular point here again, you should clearly see it at the, you see, and then this dump right here is what we saw right here. So if you could really trade with this MACD, for those of you that are still upcoming, you see what happens there. The MACD has to obey. If I bring out the RSI, you still see that the RSI followed the same thing. So basically from this point right here, the MACD has been, see, the market has been moving sideways. The market has been moving, no more pump, no more dump, no high dump, no high pump, just like that. The market has been moving sideways, and it has been twisting the MACD. So are we going to have a downtrend from here? We're going to have a downtrend from here, or we are going to see a pump? Let me know. Are we going to have a downtrend right here, or we are going to see a pump? Because I see we are going to come out of this zone of 19,500. I see we are going to come out of the zone of 19,500 within the next 48 minutes. Sorry, within the 48 hours, we are going to come out of this zone right here. But that doesn't mean there might not be a dump before then. There might be, but I clearly see that we are going to come out of this zone. Yeah. So it's still circling around this particular area here. The market might be giving us a huge pullback up. You could see the market might be giving us a huge pullback up. That's what I'm seeing now. The market might be giving us a huge pullback up. So we're taking a good look at the daily time frame. So my expectation is, since the daily time frame is bullish, the candlestick there is a bull, and at the same time the MACD just it's looking twisting, but at the same time it's looking like something that wants to break up. So I'm clearly seeing that the market will be giving us 19,500 any moment from now. We should be seeing 19,500. For those of you that want to take your long position, just enter and then keep your stop loss very close to this point of 19,100 or 19,150 or 900 or 19k, sorry, or 19k or 19.100, 19.200. should drag it more below, or probably give it at 19k, because the daily time frame is bullish, and I believe this market will be making a huge move to this point of 20 to this point of 19.500 from. So far the market has not done another low, or has it done another high. So if we see at this this is the 1 hour time frame, that means it contained the whole of the week. This is the 1 hour time frames. That means from this point right here, I contain the whole of the week that we were in. This at this 1 hour time frame here, we haven't gotten any high, any all-time high, or have we gotten any all-time low. So this point of yesterday, just at 18.939, it didn't go below that, and came back to 19.278. It didn't go above that. So we haven't gotten any all low or all high again. I didn't be it meant down to this point of 18,400, or this area of 18,100 would have gotten another low, but it didn't. Or maybe it went up to this point of 2,300, would have gotten another high, but it didn't. But my expectation today is that we are going to see 19,500 or above that. That's what we're going to be seeing today, at 19,500 or above that, because this is the 1 hour time frame, and the market is just looking more bullish to me. It's looking more bullish to me. So for those who is wishing to go into the market, it's going to be just as simple as you could take it, as always. So the price ranges are not too far from us here. If you could place the entering point from this zone here, if you should place the entering point from this zone here, and you got to this zone right here, if you should place the entering point and go to this zone right here, okay. So let me time it for us, and that's what we should be getting. If the market should go below this, I believe we should be getting 2%. if you should be longing the market from that point right there. So if you get your entering position right, and make sure the previous trend is over before you get into the market, I believe it's going to come up to this 18,600 here. So you have 2%, and your stop loss should be very close to this point of 19k. Yeah, your stop loss should be very close to this point of 19k. So 2% with your probably you go into with that 20 leverage with 500 capital, and you should know what that will be given to you by 2%. And then if your losses should be minus 0.50% if the market goes the other way around against us. So this is what our target should be. So $400 probably will giving us something really huge in this form of we longing from this position right here. I still believe the market is going to go our direction today. It's going to be looking bullish today. So just keep your target very close. But if you should come up to this point of 19,800, that would be huge good. But make sure you have your target in the market. Don't just go into the market and you want to make all the profits today. It might not work that way. Don't just go into the market that you want to make all the profit today. It might not work that way. Yeah, like I said, it might not work that way. So your target should be very close to this point right here. Yeah, your target should be very close to this point right here. So your target should be very close to this point of 19k right here. That's where your target should be very close to this point of 19k. And then if we've been favored today, that means this downtrend might not hold. That means we'll be seeing this uptrend to this point here. So that is what I've observed in the market, guys, and just follow up as I've said. It will favor us, I believe. So see you guys in our next video. Oh guys, a big excitement, we have been approved by Bybit. We've been given our affiliate marketing link. We've gotten our own link, Top Express link. So we are customizing our link. So once the link is ready, I'm going to post it on our bio. Please do well to make use of our link. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do leave a thumb up on this video. Leave your comment. Thank you guys, and I appreciate you guys. Enjoy the week.